Hello guys, welcome back to Construm. So today we want to look at a very simple trick on how to download a DEM from Open Topography using the Open Topography plugin. So it's a pretty straightforward task. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm loading the area of interest, and of course if you do not have an area of interest, you can always go with maybe a web map, and then you can draw a bounding box. So for that, I can just going to add this base map. Then I'll demonstrate later on how we can use also the base map to draw a rectangle around the area of interest that you're interested in. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to plugins, manage and install plugins, and under these you're going to search it's called Open Topography. So just there should be no spacing, so topography. So you can see the plugin is here. It's called Open Topography DEM Downloader, and under that you can just click install. But in my scenario I've already installed, but for you, you'll have an option to install. So once you have it, this is how it looks like. You can see it has this icon. If we go back to the plugin installation phase, you can see this icon. You can always try to find out this icon at the top right. This is the icon. So once you have downloaded it and installed it, just click on it, and you can see this pop-up window. So you have a list or a drop down of options for you to consider. And in my scenario, I just need the SRTM 30 meter resolution. And you can see we have an option to define the extent in which to download the DEM. Just click on this drop down arrow, and you can calculate from layer. So this is the essence of using a shapefile. In that scenario, I could have just selected my shapefile, or you can always calculate from the map layout. So this seems to be off, but you also have an option to use the current map canvas extent. So this is the extent, the map, the section of the map that is viewable. So also you can also draw on the canvas. So you can do something like this, and it's still going to work. So I can go with either option. It doesn't matter. And then you can see I have an option to enter my API key, and or use an existing one. So if you do not have an API key, do not worry. You just come to Open Topography. You can just search Open Topography, and once you open it, proceed to Home. And under Home on your right, you can see an option to request an API key. And once you click on that, you should see an API key exposed. So in my option, it's already exposed, so there's no need to show it. So in your scenario, you should, I think it's an option to, there's a button here around this area. So just click on it, and it's going to expose the API key. So just copy that, and back to our QGIS, paste it there. So you can also set the output location. For me, let me leave it to default because of the tutorial, and then just run. So this is going to take just a few seconds, and once it's done, it's going to output a DEM. So let's give it a second to run. So you can see it, it has been pretty fast, and you can see you already have your DEM. So if you open the properties of this DEM, and under general, so you should see, I'm trying to find the resolution of these. I'm trying to find the size, but I cannot see it, but you can see that it has actually worked pretty fine. So you can always do this with any area of interest. You don't have to worry about how you get the DM, and this is a pretty fast way to do it. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe and support us. See you next time.